On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we drive up to Mount Hood to ride down the Alpine Slides. Stick around. This is where, the last time I went snowboarding, this is where I came. Hey everybody, thanks for watching Clyde's Cache. We're at the Mount Hood Ski Bowl Adventure Park, and we're getting ready to ride these Alpine Slides.
And don't forget to crash behind it.
That stops you. Mount Hood's right behind it.
We've done so much fun stuff here.
And there's Clyde.
Licking his hand.
You want to go really slow?
No! I want to go this fast.
All right. I've never ridden the Alpine Slides here. I've snowboarded here a bunch of times, but it's really cool to see this mountain without all the snow, but you can see where the runs are. We're kind of on the face of the mountain right now.
A little bit faster, Dad. Wait, there's wheels. There's wheels under us.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm the greatest polo hog. Faster, Clyde, faster. Hi, Uncle David. Hi, Grandma.
think
like
we gotta go that way.
this way?
Wait, where does this trail go?
The same way.
No, this one. Turn this map.
What?
Turn this map so I can see how far.
Wait, I wonder if it's under the bridge. I still think the one at the beach is a cooler.
Look at this view.
Cooler thing. That's cool. Look at all those duckies.
Wow. So that's where they hang out.
There.
Let's go.
Yeah. It might be at this stump here.
Yep. Looks like up here.
This is the smaller one. If it's covered by a piece of bark, it's right here.
Do-do-do. Kind of.
Their hint is a little too obvious.
Yeah. All right, let's see.
Look, there's a peppermint.
Why do people always put peppermints in here?
I think I'm gonna take this
And it's
guy.
squishy. All
I'm gonna
right.
take the squishy.
You gonna put the trackable in
It's
there?
so
Oh,
obvious.
there's a quarter.
Wait, really? Are you sure that's a quarter?
I think so. Yep. Okay. And let's
wanna-
put the trackable in.
No, where's the lid?
Uh-oh.
Where did I put the lid? Gave it to you. Did you put it in your pocket? Your top, the sweatshirt. No?
It's under here.
What? Oh!